My name is Max.
Max Davenport.
The lead concept artist at Gearbox Software. Yeah, I've been doing this for about 8.5, 9 years now.
Here we are at the Randomizer. I'm really curious what this is gonna spit in your pockets.
Me too.
Not everyone was willing to give up their freedom.
That's pretty cool.
Denon, huh?
Yeah, I guess we're gonna bedazzle the shit out of this robot. Yeah. So today I'm hoping that we can shed some light on functional character design, some good principles and properties, being playful, showing the range that you can get with a couple of different big shapes.
Wow.
I wanted to kind of get this digital display for this readout. Oh, and here, yeah, make my own details kind of fun, and yeah, just establish these final details.
This looks cool.
Design and rendering, baby.